Good morning, students. Myself, Rashmi Madam, in your science teacher. A warm welcome to the new class, class 8. Now, today onwards, we have to start our science chapter. Okay, before going the chapter, I will give some questions. What are the questions? Now, today is daytime. Okay, daytime you see the sky. Okay, and what things are you see in the sky? Obviously you people are saying, okay madam, we have to see the sun. Okay, because without sun we can't see anything. Okay, so that is why in daytime you see the sun, and that just opposite in night. What things are you see in the sky? Okay, night time you have to see the moon and the so many stars in the sky. Okay, now we have to start our first chapter. What is the name of chapter? Sky vision. Okay, sky, in which vision you have to see in the sky, that is the sky vision. Okay, now we all are live in the earth. You know the planet on which live is called the earth. We all are living in the earth. During daytime we see the sun in the sky. I will ask the question now. The sun, daytime you have to see the sun, obviously. Come, let us, if there anything else other than the sun in the sky. Okay, let you find in this chapter, in other than the sun, what things are you see in the sky. Okay, what is there in the sky? What in sky, how many things are present? Okay, now dark sky at night when there is no cloud. Okay, in dark you can't see the cloud, obviously, because night you can't see the cloud. But opposite, in daytime you see the sky in the so many clouds. You will see a large number of stars. In the night you have to see the so many stars, some of which are very big and some are the less. Naturally, okay, some star is so big and some star is less. Some are big and some are the small. The interesting point is this, that these small stars are actually quite bigger than our earth. What is the another interesting point? What is that? That small stars are actually not a small, but they are quite bigger than the earth. We leave the earth is big, na? Just like in so bigger than the earth. Some stars are so bigger than the earth. Okay, even many times bigger than the sun, and that star is sometimes so bigger than the sun. But one another question is what? Why does the star appear so small to us? So why the star look like a small? Let us see one activity. Okay, take a two big balls in the same size. Okay, go to the playground and places these balls at least 50 or 80 meters apart, and these two balls we put in another meters. Okay, one is 50 meter and second is 80 meters. Now move about the 30 meters and look at the balls move, and that one ball is move about the 30 meters in the round. Okay, what are you see? We see obviously one ball's size is small. Okay, are the size of the two balls are seen? No. When the things are far away from us, they appear smaller to us. Which is that which things are far away from us, that is the small. Now you must have understood why the stars which are bigger in the size apart to the small to us. Okay, if you observe the minutely, you see some object than the stars. Okay, when you see the star at night, you see the so many objects other than stars. They do not twinkle like a stars, but that things are not twinkle like the stars. These are the planets. Okay, what is that? That is the planet, which like our earth revolved around the sun. Sometimes the moment a line of bright line can be seen in the sky, actually they are burning meteors. Okay, some we have to revolving. One means we have to see the so many meteors, that is the meteors. Okay. We can't burning stars. Okay, it can on earth and other planets, the sun and the moon, meteors, etc., together some the Milky Way. Let us know some about more than